Okay, I got a marinade steak for grill. This seasoning, fajita, and that one. So we need to put this one first for a little bit and just flip it on for stick. And the second, this one, more flavor on that, stick it. And the last one, fajita, add a little bit more spicy and smell good too. Flip it on that. This one's good flavor. That beautiful steak on this ribeye steak. We need the grill medium or medium rare. So today I'm gonna make grill, special grill. Take a time grill, not too much grill. Like just like that, right? Keep it on that. Keep it like a couple minutes and we can grill on that. That one's fine. That one is so good. Smell good, flavor good. It is the steak, Sunday steak, okay? every Sunday steak. Oh my God. Okay, just like that. Okay, very good for grill.
Okay.
But just sign here is okay because it's like for steak about 3 minutes one side.
How long does asparagus take?
Asparagus take about a minute.
Oh, really? That's it?
Yeah, it's not that much, but I don't want to put on the fire because it's too quick. Because I have a put steak around the side. I don't want to burn it. So that's why keep it aside. It's easy on the fire, so
Gotcha.
like that is okay. But right now, we're gonna start put steak. You know why I put it here, not on the fire? Because I want to meat. It's
So that's
juicy.
considered
Yeah.
searing on the grill?
Yes,
Ah,
it's not really fire, but
it's
yeah, because this one I need medium or medium rare and juicy. Not just
medium.
medium.
Not
So
just
that's
medium?
why, yeah. And so I need to cover about 3 minutes.
Okay. We'll be back
One
in
side,
3
yeah.
minutes.
Ah, how is this? Okay, it's just a little bit. So on. Okay, it's just a little bit. This side too a little bit. This side too a little bit. Okay. Asparagus almost ready. Already asparagus. Yeah, a little bit more. And this side, okay. A little bit more. This side, okay. You can do that for that right now. Then go on the fire.
Uh-oh. How long does it stay there?
About 30 seconds or 1 minute.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Open or closed?
Open.
Oh,
On
really?
the fire now. On the fire, you can close.
Okay.
It burn all over.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Should I turn it over? It's burning. Woo. I'm getting scared.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, on fire, it's okay.
That one is the middle one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's your medium.
That's my medium?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, great.
The medium.
And that's your, where's your
Yeah.
rare?
This rare. Yeah. 1 more minute, done.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is done.
How do you know by just looking at it?
Push it. Push it. Meat tender, soft,
Oh,
soft
okay.
rare, tender, medium, hot, done. It's hot and well done. See that? Go close. Close it up. Smell good. You see? This rare. See that?
That's yours.
Rare.
Okay.
That. You have more rare. Yeah. A little bit more. Good fire. All done. A little bit more. It's still rare here. So we grill like that ready. We keep over there like soak about 30, maybe like 40 or 1 minute, 40 seconds, 1 minute, for it's like juicy inside. When you cut it, ooh. Okay. Done. Done.
It's not even that cold out.
Not really cold. It's still very rare here.
That's very rare.
Yeah. I'm gonna go. Yeah, beautiful. I'm gonna go to get chicken back here. And I'll add butter on that. Super milk, butter. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, more fire now.
Okay.
Yeah. That's done. Yeah. So we're gonna see it's a medium or medium rare. See the first like this. Oh, this is a medium.
Yes.
Beautiful medium. See that? Whoa. That's medium. See? Ooh. It's medium. Beautiful. Wow. That's all. Oh, that one's so good. Have a little bit fat in here. Oh my God.